Is your dog sneezing while playing? Here's what it really means. Did you know that your furry friend sneezing during playtime is actually a good thing? It means they're having a blast and want to keep the fun going. It's a way for dogs to communicate with each other and let them know that they're only playing, not fighting. In fact, play sneezes can be contagious, and you may even find yourself sneezing along with your furry friend. According to animal behaviorists, play sneezing is more common in younger dogs and puppies. It's a way for them to practice their social skills and learn how to interact with other dogs. And while it may seem like odd behavior to humans, it's perfectly normal for dogs. So, the next time your dog starts play sneezing, know that they're just having a good time and enjoying some playtime with their furry friends. And if you catch yourself sneezing along, it's just a sign that you and your pup have a special bond.